morning, dear students. Today topic is oxidizing and reducing agents, properties and applications of hydrogen peroxide. Now we first discuss about the what is oxidation. The gain of oxygen is called as oxidation, while as a loss of the hydrogen and loss of electrons or losing of electrons is called as oxidations. So oxidation is actually the gain of oxygen, while reduction is the loss of oxygen. In the extraction of iron, let us take the example from its ore, such as iron oxide Fe2O3, ferrous oxides plus carbon monoxide to give the iron, extraction of the iron plus carbon dioxide. Because both reduction and oxidation are going on side by side, so this is known as redox reactions. Oxidation is the loss of electrons or losing of electrons or increase in the oxidation state of an atom from, for example, +2 to +3 or +1 to +2, or an ion or certain atoms in a molecule, such as from ferrous to ferric. The reduction is the reciprocal of the oxidation. It is the gain of electron, from example from ferric to ferrous, or decrease in the oxidation state of the an atom or ion or the certain atoms in the molecules. So these are the some examples. Oxidations is the loss or removal of hydrogen, I have told earlier, in an atom, an ion or the certain atoms in the molecule. While reduction is the gain or addition of hydrogen or addition of electron in an atom, an ion or certain atoms in the molecules. So next is, in short, what is oxidizing agent? An oxidizing agent, oxidant or oxidizer, is a substance that has the ability to oxidize other substances. That oxidizes the other substances is or to accept their electrons. While itself it becomes reduced, it is called as oxidizing agent. So common oxidizing agents are oxygen, hydrogen peroxides, permanganate such as MnO4, chromate Cr2O3, dichromate Cr2O7, and halogens that are fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. An oxidizing agent is a chemical species that undergoes a chemical reaction in which it gains one or more electrons. What are the reducing agents? Substances that have the ability to reduce other substances, cause them to gain electron, are said to be reductive or reducing and are known as reducing agents. The reductants are reducers. The reductants are transfer the electron to another substance and thus itself oxidized. So because it donates electron, the reducing agent is also called as electron donor, while the oxidizing agent is called as electron acceptor. So electron donors can also form charge transfer complex with electron acceptors. So reductants are electropositive element, while the oxidizing agents are electronegative. Elemental metals such as lithium, group 1 elements, lithium, alkali metals, sodium, and alkaline earth metals like magnesium, iron, that is the transition metal, zinc, and aluminium are good reducing agents. So these metals donate or give away electrons relatively readily. So hydrides transfer reagents such as sodium borohydride and lithium aluminum hydride. These are also called as reducing agents. These are used in the organic chemistry. Now, the oxidation and reduction reactions in industry. Oxidation is used in a wide variety of industries, such as the production of cleaning products and oxidizing ammonia to produce nitric acid, which is used in the most fertilizers. Redox reaction overall going oxidation and reduction go side by sides are the foundation of electrochemical cells, which can generate electrical energy or support electrosynthesis. So metal ores often contain metals in the oxidized state, such as oxides or sulfides. In the different oxidized states, such as peroxide, normal oxides, or other superoxides, suboxides, from which the pure metals are extracted by smelting process at high temperature and pressure in the presence of the reducing agents. The process of electroplating uses redox reactions to coat objects with a thin layer of material. Now, hydrogen peroxide properties. Hydrogens, there are two hydrogens and two oxygens. One oxygen has 6 electrons in its outermost shell, and almost the two oxygens has there are 4 bonds and making an 1 electron lone pair in its. It has different angles, such as oxygen hydrogen has 101.9, and the bond length between oxygen is 145.8 picometer, while the oxygen hydrogen bond length is 98.8 picometer. Physical properties. In the pure state, hydrogen peroxide is almost colorless or very pale blue liquid. It is used in the as a washing agent or for the wounds or the other injuries. 5% hydrogen peroxide used in the is available at medical stores. Antiseptic property. It is slightly more viscous than water. It has the molecular formula H2O2 and molecular mass 434. It melts at 272.4 Kelvin or nearly that is and has boiling point of 423. That means 150 degrees centigrade. So it is miscible in water in all proportions and form hydrates. It has high hydrogen bonding with water. Because chemical properties. Hydrogen peroxide in both acidic and basic medium act as an oxidizing as well as the reducing agent. I have told earlier that in the practical for the determination of composition or estimation of percentage composition of hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide does not react readily with potassium permanganate, but when potassium permanganate reacts with sulfuric acid, it forms the manganese sulfate or potassium sulfate and nascent oxygen. The nascent oxygens reacts with the hydrogen peroxide to form the water and molecular oxygen. So thus, potassium permanganate in this case in the practical or in the lab that has acted as oxidizing agent, and hydrogen peroxide is act as an reducing agent. So oxidation reactions of hydrogen peroxide oxidizes black such as galena PbS to white lead sulfate. So lead sulfate when reacts with hydrogen peroxide to form the lead sulfate plus water. It oxidizes potassium iodide to iodine, potassium iodide plus iodine to give potassium hydroxide plus iodine. It oxidizes nitrites to nitrates. Sodium nitrite plus hydrogen peroxide to give sodium nitrate plus water. So oxidizes acidified potassium ferrocyanides. Potassium ferrocyanides when reacts with sulfuric acid and hydrogen peroxide. So it gives the potassium ferrocyanides plus potassium sulfate plus water. So it oxidizes sulfides SO3 to sulfate SO4. SO3 has -1 and SO4 has -2 valency. Sodium sulfide plus hydrogen peroxide gives sodium sulfate plus water. It oxidizes chromates in an acidic medium to chromium peroxides. Chromate plus hydrogen in acidic medium, hydrogen ion plus hydrogen peroxide to give the chromate, CrO5, and chromium peroxide plus water. Now it is very interesting example in the textile industry. It is act as a bleaching reaction. It bleaches by oxidation. Bleachness, it bleaches the silk, wool, cotton, and hair. So reactions: hydrogen peroxide gives the nascent oxygen and colored substances plus nascent oxygen to give colorless. Reduction reactions of hydrogen peroxides. It reduces barium peroxide to monoxides. Barium peroxide plus hydrogen peroxide give barium oxide plus water plus oxygen. It reduces ozone to oxygen. Ozone plus hydrogen peroxide, water plus oxygen. It reduces alkaline potassium ferricyanide. Potassium ferricyanide plus potassium hydroxide to give the plus hydrogen peroxide to give potassium ferrocyanide and plus water plus molecular oxygen. Hydrogen peroxide can act as reducing agent if one of the reactants is a stronger oxidizing agent such as potassium permanganate and hypochlorous acid, H and plus iodine. Hydrogen that is a hypochlorous acid HOCl plus HClO plus hydrogen peroxide gives the hydronium ion plus chloride plus oxygen. Iodine plus hydrogen peroxide plus hydroxyl ion to give the iodide ion and plus water and plus molecular oxygen. Now applications of hydrogen peroxide. It is very good example in the medical industry. It is act as an antiseptic. It acts as an antiseptic for minor cuts, bruises, lacerations. For years, it actually forms when it comes in contact with blood. So this helps in bringing up all the germs from within the cut. The oxidizing property of hydrogen peroxide kills the germs and also inhibits the growth of microorganisms such as bacteria, virus. So this prevents the spread of any infection. So concentrated hydrogen peroxide is harmful and dangerous. So we use only 3 to 5% dilute solutions. Also, hydrogen peroxide is normally kept in dark brown bottle to avoid any decomposition of the light process. So since it is explosive at high temperature, so should be care in the storing hydrogen peroxide at high temperature. Bleaching, very important property. Hydrogen peroxide is extensively used for bleaching purposes. This comes down in the oxidizing ability of hydrogen peroxide when the large organic molecules has a double bond. This bond absorbs light. So during an oxidizing reactions, when the bond breaks, it destroys pigments and removes colors. So that is why it acts as a bleaching, and hydrogen peroxide is a good bleaching agent for hair since it is byproduct and are not harmful. So hydrogen peroxide is also an excellent bleaching agent of the wood, tarnish, and paper and textile different processes. It acts as a good pollution controlling agent. The most significant use of hydrogen peroxide is the environmental protection. It finds to use in air pollution control, where it is used for the treatment of effluents from industrial waste. So it is also used in the restoration of aerobic conditions in which the oxygen is needed to sewage and industrial waste material. Chemical synthesis. It acts as a good oxidizing agent. So hydrogen peroxide has a low molecular weight 34. So more efficient oxidizing agent than potassium permanganate or dichromate. So it is soluble in several organic solvents, including water and the substrate itself. Aseptic packing. Hydrogen peroxide is highly microbiologically safe reagent. Therefore, it is used as sterilizing agents for the internal aseptic zones of the manufacturing machines and the surface of the packing materials that will be in contact with the food. So it is used for the sterilization. Cosmetics and medicines. So hydrogen peroxide is oxidizing property makes it suitable for the use of cosmetics and medical fields where it is used as antiseptic, as a disinfectant and bleaching agent. So for instance, cosmetics, it is used as an antimicrobial agent during oxidative hair dyeing, while in the medicine it increases the whiteness of teeth by oxygenating stains. Electronic industry. In this field, it finds to use as an oxidizing agent and cleaning agent. I have told earlier, in the production or process of printed circuit boards uses hydrogen peroxide as an HNET agent, and the manufacturing process of semiconductors uses high quality electronic grade hydrogen peroxide act as an oxidizing and cleaning agent. Food industry. In this food processing, hydrogen peroxide is most commonly used for the bleaching agent, where it is found as a peroxygen reagent. The natural oils, natural sugar, waxes, starch, and gums are some of the compounds for the bleached using peroxide. Mining industry. Mining process uses hydrogen peroxide both as an oxygen source and an oxidizing agent. For this instance, it is used as a gold and uranium production processes in the concentrates preparation and ore leaching. Pulp and paper industry. In this industry, the versatile bleaching agent, especially in chemical pulp bleaching, in mechanical pulp bleaching, chemical and mechanical, both are the processes that are used as core bleaching agent. In paper recycling process, it finds its application as a de-inking agent. Textile industry, hydrogen peroxide as a prime bleaching agent in natural and synthetic fibers. I have told earlier, which include wool, linen, cotton, silk, and rayon. So it gives the fibers of a high degree of brightness, while at the same time for the preserving their mechanical properties. Transportation industry, highly concentrated hydrogen peroxides find to use as a propellant in the transportation industry. So hypergolic bipropellant engines, which are used in a monopropellant system, and launch vehicles use high concentration of hydrogen peroxide. These are the overall summary of the hydrogen peroxide. Some of them are discussed earlier. It is used in the preservation of wine and milk. Our white blood cell, that is the biochemical process, you produce hydrogen peroxide to kill bacteria. It is used and kill stains from the sensitive fabrics and cloths. To soaking feet in water mixed with hydrogen peroxide for 15 minutes every day for a week. It prevents the get rid of from the fungus. It is very important process. So plant growth can be sustained by sprinkling mixture of hydrogen peroxide and water in equal amount. It is used for the synthesis of tartaric acid, that is used in the chemical synthesis for food production and many pharmaceuticals. It is used in the manufacture of the chemicals, which in turn are used in making of high quality detergents. So high concentrated hydrogen peroxide is used as rocket propellants. It is also used in making many shampoo. That is the end of the